Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is October 16th, 2024, and we have a lot to cover about Tesla's latest developments. From self-driving controversies to ambitious robotaxi plans and the impressive sales of the Cybertruck, we've got it all. Remember, you can find links to all the stories in the episode notes. Tesla is currently under scrutiny for its claims about the self-driving capabilities of its Hardware 3 vehicles. Initially, Elon Musk promised that all future Tesla vehicles would be equipped for full self-driving. However, as technology advanced, it became apparent that Hardware 3 might not meet these expectations. The introduction of Hardware 4 has further fueled doubts, as Tesla seems to be prioritizing software updates for the newer hardware, leaving Hardware 3 potentially obsolete. Experts suggest that Tesla needs a significant increase in miles driven without disengagement to achieve its self-driving goals. Yet, the company has only seen modest improvements. Musk's recent comments at a robotaxi event, where he sidestepped questions about Hardware 3's capabilities, have added to the uncertainty. Tesla is also encouraging Hardware 3 owners to upgrade, which some see as an attempt to mitigate legal liability over the undelivered full self-driving package. The lack of transparency in Tesla's full self-driving program is another concern. The company relies on crowdsourced data rather than official metrics, and as Hardware 3 nears obsolescence, there are growing calls for Tesla to clarify its position. If Tesla cannot deliver on its promises, it could face accusations of fraud, as many customers bought their vehicles expecting future self-driving capabilities. At Tesla's recent We Robot event, it was revealed that the company's Optimus robots are not as autonomous as previously suggested. Reports indicate that many of the robots' capabilities were remotely controlled by human operators, although they could walk independently using AI. Tech blogger Robert Scoble confirmed that while the robots could walk, tasks like pouring drinks required human assistance. Footage from the event showed the robots walking in a straight line with Tesla staff nearby, suggesting a level of control over their movements. Analysts noted that the demonstration showcased the robots' agility, but not full autonomy. Elon Musk focused on the potential future of the robots rather than their current limitations, highlighting the gap between Tesla's vision and reality. Elon Musk recently announced plans to produce a significant number of Tesla's Cybercab robotaxis, showcasing prototypes at a recent event. However, this ambitious goal faces substantial regulatory challenges in the US, where current regulations prohibit vehicles without traditional driver controls. Despite the excitement, Tesla may have sidestepped many regulatory hurdles, highlighting the tension between innovation and existing legal frameworks. Tesla's We Robot event in Los Angeles also unveiled the robotaxi concept, but the presentation was brief and lacking in details. Musk discussed the potential of robotaxis, showcasing a prototype two-seater called the Cybercab, expected to retail for around $30,000. A new 20-passenger vehicle, the Robovan, was also introduced. However, specifics on operational aspects were not provided, leaving many questions unanswered. Musk reiterated that the robotaxis would rely on Tesla's AI-5 processor and vision technology, with production slated for 2026. Despite these claims, Tesla's full self-driving technology remains rudimentary. Wireless charging was highlighted as a key feature, but concerns were raised about its efficiency. The event left many attendees confused, failing to address critical software challenges, leading to a decline in Tesla's stock price. In more positive news, the Tesla Cybertruck has achieved significant sales success, becoming the third best-selling electric vehicle in the US during the latest quarter. With 16,692 units sold, it more than doubled the sales of its closest competitor, the Ford F-150 Lightning. Despite its high price point, the Cybertruck's sales performance is impressive, highlighting Tesla's dominance in the EV market, particularly in the electric truck segment. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more news and analysis on Tesla and the world of technology. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.